Our friends are back from a camping trip, and they look a right mess.
Oh boy, look at this dust, huh? What's this yucky smell?
The yucky smell is you, Duda.
No, it's not. I always smell like Mother Nature. Fresh.
Not right now, you don't. You definitely stink.
Everyone smells because we were sweating all day. Let's all go to the hot spring and get cleaned up. Hot spring? Oh, yippee, hot spring! Wow! It's been so long since I took a bath. Bubble, we took one last week, remember? Oh, yeah. I forgot.
Stop right there. Didn't you hear me? I said freeze.
Please. Who are you? We just came to take a bath in the hot spring.
Not if I can help it. This hot spring is mine.
No, it's not. This hot spring belongs to everyone.
This is your final warning. Leave now before I get really mad.
Who is this guy?
Maybe we should just go.
But I want to take a bath. Let's go and talk to him nicely. There must be some misunderstanding.
I told you to get out of here. Look out!
Yo! Ouch!
How do you like my trap?
This is super fun! Duda Dada.
I'll show you.
What is this?
Hey, is that a puppy?
Wow, he's so cute.
I'm not a puppy. I'm the cute and lovable. I'm a man of men, Red Panda, the great Chikoo.
Hiya. My friends call me Duda.
Ow! I don't shake hands with trespassers.
We're not trespassers. We've been coming to this hot spring for ages now.
Huh. Well, its owner has returned, so don't come here anymore.
I think you're mistaken about something.
Hey, enough! I see words aren't getting through to you.
Huh? Is he breakdancing? Wow, he's super cute.
Stop saying that I'm cute. I am a man of men, the powerful Chikoo.
Chikoo, I don't mean to upset you, but this hot spring is for everyone.
Jeez, it's like talking to a brick wall. Fine then, I challenge you all to a showdown right here, tomorrow morning for the hot spring.
Showdown? What should we do? Well, we can't lose our hot spring.
He wants a showdown, but I'm against all kinds of fighting.
But what's a showdown anyway?
If we're talking about showdowns, then I'm your expert.
Scott, what were you doing over there?
If you were dealing with such a scoundrel, you guys should have told me right away.
No, Scott. Chikoo isn't bad. He's a cutie pie.
Don't go all soft on me now, Duda. Showdowns are won by the strong, not the weak. Huh? But, what kind of showdown is it?
Now that you mention it, we didn't talk about what we were going to do.
You rookies! Showdown 101! Know your competition! Piggy? Puggy?
Yeah.
Piggy and Puggy are expert spies. Go find out what this Chikoo fellow is up to. Move out!
Move out!
There he is over there.
The rumors were right. He is pretty cute.
Dun, 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 dun. Cha!
Whoa!
Who is that?
Oh, you're heavy. The showdown is gonna be martial arts for sure. A martial arts showdown? Think we can win?
Aha! Don't you worry. Ha! Ha! I'll take him down with my taekwondo.
just stand back and watch in awe and let the master handle this.
Okay.
So, are you Chikoo?
Who's this? What's with this alley cat?
What? I'm not some alley cat. I'm Scott, the genius inventor.
Chikoo, so tell me, what's the showdown gonna be?
Well, the first round will be a breath-holding contest.
Breath-holding?
Who's up for the challenge?
I'll take you on.
I'm gonna crush you so bad.
Is Chikoo really going up against Bubble in a breath-holding contest?
For the win! I need air!
1-0.
I wasn't fully warmed up for that, but I won't go easy on you this time. Round 2 is a digging contest.
Ta-da! Digging contest?
Let's save the digging for another time. You got lucky, my friend.
Oh, but I wanted to showdown too.
What planet are these guys from? I have to win. Time for Plan B.
Chikoo, are you okay?
Time for the final round. Whoever wins this round gets to claim the hot spring for good.
I think it's gonna be martial arts.
I'll take you on this time.
The challenge is rock, paper, scissors!
Rock, paper, scissors?
Since my birth, I've never lost a game at rock, paper, scissors yet.
A rock, paper, scissors showdown?
Hey, Scott, you have to win this.
Be quiet, will you? I'm trying to focus here.
Are you nervous?
Nervous? Of course not.
Are you ready? Hey, ever heard this? Cool cats only throw out rock.
What?
Now for the win. Rock, paper. Cool cats only throw out rock. Cool cats only throw out rock.
Threw out scissors.
No way! A worthy opponent. I can't believe he threw down his pride for the win.
Yes, Scott. Dada, be careful.
The hot spring is for everyone to use, so you're welcome to it too.
Huh? What are you saying? I want it fair and square.
The showdown's over, so let's be friends now. Okay?
Oh, Chikoo, you seem so different.
You're so cute! You're so cute!
Get off! How'd you guys know about my weakness?
Are we good? Feel free to visit whenever you want, Chikoo.
I can't come back here. I lost today, so I have to leave.
Aw.
But you know, I didn't come to visit. I came to make a home here.
Why did you tell us that before, Chikoo? Okie dokie.
Hey, what are you looking at, loser?
It's all done.
Huh?
Ta-da! Chikoo, come on, try it out.
Not gonna happen. I'm a man of men and I always keep my word. I'm going.
Oh, don't go. Rock, paper, scissors.
Oh, you took me off guard.
Since I won, I want you to try the hammock out. You can leave right after, okay?
Oh, if you insist. It feels like I'm floating on a fluffy cloud.
Huh? Hold on. Is he sleeping now?
He must be tired from practicing all night. Let's go so he can get some sleep. So is Chikoo here to stay, Dada? Yeah, because now he has a home to call his own. Hooray, hooray!
There's a new friend in the unknown forest. When you meet someone new, Open your heart and welcome them in.